Hello everyone, you are welcome to Build Pro Global Enterprise YouTube channel, where we teach and do all that relates to building design and construction. I would like us to learn how to convert an AutoCAD file to a PDF file today. There are two ways of converting an AutoCAD file to a PDF file. The first one is to export. You can export the drawing to PDF file. Secondly, you can print it out to PDF file. Now let's do the first one. This is actually a set of drawings of a 2-bedroom flat here. I would like to export this floor plan. This is the floor plan, the roof plan, the elevations and sections over here. Now to export this AutoCAD file to PDF file, now what I need to do is to go to the menu button. The menu button is located at the top left corner of my screen. That's letter A. You can see it here. This is the menu button. Click on the menu button. You now come down over here. You can see export here. Now I'm just hovering over it. I've not clicked it yet. You can see the options we have here: DWF, DWFX, and the rest. Now we're going to click on PDF. I'll now click on PDF. Now this dialog box will appear asking me to choose where I want to save. I'll choose a directory for where I want to save at the PDF file. You can see that my desktop is selected here, so I'll leave it at the desktop. If I want to save in a different location, you can choose it over here. So I'm going to leave it at desktop. I'll click on desktop. Next you need to do is to give it a name. You can see file name here. I'll click on it and give it a different name. Let me call this 2-bedroom flat, or 2-bedroom bungalow rather. I'm typing it on my keyboard. After typing, all I need to do is to click on save. Click on save. Now this drawing is exporting. You can see it here. It has now been exported to a PDF. To see it, I'll go and look for it where I save it. It's on my computer desktop. Let me open it up. I gave it the name 2-bedroom. You can see it here. Let me double click on it to open it. The problem here now is actually wanted exporting only the floor plan over here, but you can see I have the roof plan, the elevations, and also the site plan over here. So in using this method, you must always have to zoom on your drawing to cover up your screen, that is the area you want to export. Let me go back to my AutoCAD drawing here. So if I want to export only this part, that's the floor plan, I need to zoom it so that it should be the only thing that is seen on my screen. And you can see that it's always very difficult to do that. You always see these other drawings, unless I have to shift this drawing away so that I can have space between this drawing. Moving it. Now I'll move these drawings away from the floor plan. I can now zoom on it, so you can see that it's the only drawing now on my screen. So if I export it like this now, should be able to see it alone. There's a much better way to export AutoCAD file to PDF file. That's the method I've been using, which is to print it out to PDF file. To do that, you can simply use your keyboard and press Ctrl P. Let me accept this. Click OK. Or you can come to the menu button here. You can see print here. Click on print. Let me accept this. There's a warning from AutoCAD. Now this is my print dialog box. What I need to do here is, from here you can see we have printer/plotter. Now ideally, if you are printing this file, you come to this place, you choose the name of the printer that's installed. You can see some printers installed here. We have HP OfficeJet and so many other printers that are here. So to convert this drawing to AutoCAD, what I need to do, to PDF rather, what you need to do is you come down to where you have DWG to PDF. DWG is AutoCAD file extension, so you need to convert it to PDF. So I'll select this, I'll click on it. The next settings I'll do is you come to paper size. Click over here. Now these are the various paper sizes we have. You can see you have A0 here, we have A1, A2, A3. I'm going to choose A3. That's the landscape format of A3. Now the next thing I need to do is come to this window. You can see window here. Click on window. If I click on it now, this dialog box is going to disappear. Now it's going to lead me to select the area I want to print. Okay, so if I click on window, let me click on it. You can see it has disappeared. You can see the whole area is gray. It is not bright like the former one. So from my cursor pointer, you can see specify first corner. So I'll come over here. Let me zoom it a bit. I'll now click. This is where I want to start. This is the first corner I want. I'll click on it. I'll zoom out. I'll now move down to the next corner. Just specify the opposite corner and then click over here. And if I click it, you can see that it brought me back to my print dialog box. Now this is the sample, or the preview rather, of the drawing I want to convert to a PDF. The next thing I need to do is always ensure you click on this center plot so that you will center your drawing on your page and also fit to paper. Okay, always select this center plot and fit to paper. Now click on preview. If I click preview, this is what I see. This is the edge of my paper. So if I print it out, this is how it will look like. So all I need to do here is, instead of going back, I can just from here right click and click on plot. If I click on plot, the save dialog box now appear. It's now asking me where I want to save the drawing. Now click on desktop. I'll give it a name. Let me type it on my keyboard. 2-bedroom bungalow. Okay. Now click on save. Now the drawing has been exported. You can see it over here. It has been exported to PDF, and I'm seeing only the floor plan, not with the other drawings that I will need showing by the side. Let me close it. Let me go to my desktop. You can see it here. Let me open it again. Let me maximize the page. So this file now is in PDF file, and it can be opened in any PDF reader, whether on your phone, desktop computer, or anywhere. Now the importance of converting a file from DWG, that's AutoCAD, to PDF is sometimes you find yourself in places where you want to print or need to print drawings, maybe in a computer business center for instance, but they don't have AutoCAD installed on their computers. And you have your AutoCAD drawing on your computer, but you don't have their printers installed on your computer so you can print directly. You need to copy the drawings to their computer so you can print. The only way you need to do, or you have to solve that issue, is by converting your drawings to PDF, like I just did here. You now copy it. They can open it on their computer, even though they don't have AutoCAD, and print it out. But mind you, anything that's converted to PDF, it can't be edited because you can't make changes to it. It's permanent. Okay, so that's how to convert an AutoCAD file to a PDF file. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You can as well give it a thumbs up, share, and comment in the comment section below. See you next time. Bye.